Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text blot in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, open your Apple Keynote software. Then you can see here are my presentation on the Apple Keynote. Now select the text and you can see here are text menu. Now here are blot option. I'm click this. Now change text font this. You can change another way. Now select the text and click the drop down menu and click bold. Now you can see make text blot in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.